Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add PowerPoint animation. Adding animations in your PowerPoint on elements will make it aesthetically pleasing, and it is very simple to add animations. First, you have to simply go to your PowerPoint and pick any element of your choice. It could be a text, an image, any sort of shape, or whatever you prefer. Just simply select it, and from the top you have to click on animations. As you click onto it, you will see some of the animations will come up. You can select any one of these animation, and whichever you select, it will work according to it. The element will go with that animation. Here you can see we have this drop down menu. If you click onto it, there are further more animations that you can use. There are different categories of animation, so you can select any one of these and the animation will be added. And if you want to choose when the animation work, you can do it like by clicking or with pre or after preview. You can choose as per your choice, and other than that you can also choose the duration and delay. The duration is when do you want it to happen, like when you get to that slide, after a second, after a half second, or maybe a 2 second. You can select it as per your choice, and after that it will work by that. Delay is for when you have different elements and you have added multiple animations on different elements, so you can delay them, so one animation happens then the other animation happen. Other than text, if you want to add the animation on your image, you can select the image, go for drop down, and there are so many different animations. Click onto any one of these, and after that it will be added. Later on you can select its duration and a delay. Some of the animations are called motion paths, where you decide which direction you want that element to go. So here you can see this is the image, and once I click onto it, you will see that we get some of these red and green icons. So what you can do is, the point from where the animation start is the red point, and the animation will go to the point where the green is. So you can set as per your choice. You can place the green where you want that element to go. You can either rotate it, whatever movement you give it, after that the element will work according to it. As you can see, this is how it is happening. First the animation worked on the text and now the image. So the same way you can set as per your preferences. If you don't like the animation at once, don't worry, you can use another ones, or you can just simply try out different sort of animation or motion, and once you like it you can go with that. So that's how you can use animations in PowerPoint. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.